Are you feeling stuck with how you want to move through the world and how you want to express yourself? Hi, I'm Liana, a priestess for divine mother energies and the all, a quantum healing hypnosis practitioner and intuitive guide. And I want to invite you all to a 5-week journey that I'm starting on February 1st called the Union Path. Now, I'll be bringing through this journey along with the Divine Mother energies, their counterparts, and the Divine Mother energies that are closely connected to humanity that you know of, like Isis, Artemis, and Freya, to help you come into union within yourself so that you can bring through your full essence, your soul and spirit in your daily life, and move through the world with more ease. If you have been feeling stuck, like you know your life needs to change and that you are not in alignment, maybe you've been circling through different choices you are struggling to make, or you've been trying to make changes in your life that just aren't working out, such as finding a new job, changing the dynamics in your relationships, or creating a new life for yourself, and it just feels like nothing is sticking, nothing is changing. These could be signs that you're out of alignment with what your soul wants, and they're trying to tell you that what you're trying to create or change is not actually what you want or where you're focusing. So I have been guided to offer this program to 8 to 12 men and women who want to step more into union with themselves, their reality, and with others so they can more easily move through the world, receive, and create, to be deeply connected to their inner knowing and anchor that knowing into their body so that they move through the world with more ease. Now, this program only came to me a couple of nights ago when I was meditating, and I have been guided to offer it starting on February 1st, which is soon. And my guides have told me that there are individuals out there who are looking for a program like this and that are aligned with it. So if this resonates with you, if the rest of this message resonates with you, this program could be for you. Over these 5 weeks, we will take 5 guided journeys and practices together to alchemize your mind, body, and soul, and to unlock the deep knowing in your heart. I'm referring to this as the great work or magnum opus, if you're familiar with alchemy, your transition into the divine phoenix of your being. We will clear and release blocks in the mind, body, and soul that you may have been carrying through lives or have sustained in this life, in order to allow your divine mind, your spirit, to unify with your divine body, balancing the male and female energies within, integrating the shadows, and merging with the elements within and without the body to inspire aligned action and come into deep union with yourself. This will help you access your soul knowings, memories, and gifts that will show you your own innate power, strengthen your intuitive gifts, and allow you to deeply connect with yourself, to know exactly what actions are for you in your daily life, when to receive and when to create, and to know that you are in constant co-creation with the universe. And you will be surprised at the doors that will open for you when you move in alignment with your being. And coming into harmony in your life and with others all begins with you, as it gives you more clarity on your purpose, and it will help others around you realize that they can create from a state of harmony as well. So this program will be 5 weeks. It will include 5 guided journeys lasting about 90 minutes to 2 hours each. And these practices may include meditations, sound, breath, movement, and light language. And I will bring through exactly what is needed each week for the group that is created. Each week has a theme that we'll be working on, so you can check that out on the website. but I will bring through intuitively exactly what is needed for the container that we're creating so that it is customized and make sure that it is that each person is receiving exactly what they need. 3 group coaching discussions, channelings, and chats. 2 one-on-one sessions, 1 at the beginning and 1 at the end for each individual. 1 to set the intentions, do any preliminary clearing and energetic work that needs to be done, and gain any guidance, understandings that will help you throughout the process from your higher self and soul. And at the end, I may put you on the spot for you to tell me how things have changed for you and what the right step for you on your path forward is, because you'll be more deeply connected with your soul. And I'll be able to offer validation, but I can also offer you intuitive guidance as well at the end. A program workbook with grounded daily suggested rituals or practices, reflection prompts, and more information about the process and continued work that you can do on your own, as well as more. So definitely check out the website if you're interested. Right now, I have a waitlist going because, like I said, this journey, this union path came to me very recently. And so I want to put together the course portal before you can access it. So right now I have a waitlist going. So check out the website, sign up for the waitlist if you're interested. And I look forward to seeing you there in the union path.